Bonkers Bunny. Ah, what a nice day. Ah, what was that? Baby Dragon sneezes fire behind a tree. Bonkers. Dude, you almost roasted my tail. Dragon, sniffly. I can't help it. I've got the sneezy sniffles. Bonkers, laughing. Don't worry, we'll turn your sneeze into a superpower. Cut to them roasting marshmallows with dragon sneezes. Bonkers. Perfectly toasty. Dragon, proud. Achoo! Delicious. They fly over a frozen village and warm it up with sneeze fire villagers. Hooray for the sneeze dragon. Bonkers. Bless you, hero.